Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can quick and easy enable the flashlight on your Motorola Edge 40. For that, you need to take your phone and then shake it 2 times, and then it's enabled now. Doing the same, it will disable the flashlight again. To be able to do so, you need to go to your settings and then go to gestures and then go to fast flashlight. Right now it's enabled right now. Maybe it's disabled with your phone. Enable it to turn your flashlight on really fast. And to normally enable your flashlight, you just need to go to your drop down menu, click on flashlight, and then your flashlight is on as well. So that's how you can use the fast flashlight on your Motorola Edge 40. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.